started mowing lawns 5 years ago, and I bought a $100 mower off of Facebook Marketplace. Now we have over 500 weekly recurring customers and make over $1.2 million in revenue. I have the freedom back to not be stuck out in the field mowing every single lawn, and I get my time back, which is the most valuable thing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start mowing lawns today in your neighborhood for money with no experience, no equipment. Let's jump into it. The first thing that I want to talk about is why mowing is a no-brainer side hustle. Okay, for anybody looking to make money very, very quickly, it's mowing lawns, by the way, and I'm going to share with you why. Number one, low startup costs. You do not need all this fancy, extra large equipment, a big building. All you need is literally probably a mower, a weed eater, and maybe a blower. And if you're like me, I used a push mower when I first started. The other thing is this is recurring work. You sell the customer one time and you're there for 15, 20, 25, 30 visits throughout the year. Very good business. Recurring work. You sell them one time, you're there often. And there's high demand. Everywhere there's grass, it needs to be mowed. During the spring, during the summer, during the fall, the grass grows. It needs to be maintained. Very high demand for this type of work. Number two, the simple tools you actually need to get started is a push mower, a weed eater, and a blower. You don't need anything else to mow grass. That's it. You can either go on Facebook Marketplace like I did, get it very, very cheaply. You could maybe rent it or borrow it from a neighbor. Or maybe you have it sitting around in your garage. Also, keep it lean when you first start. Don't get super fancy. Don't try to do all the services. You can literally just get started mowing grass. That's all we're talking about is mowing grass. Now, let's talk about how to get your first 5 customers. Tactical way. Knock on doors. It's the fastest way. You don't need any money, you just need time. That's what I had when I first started. I didn't have any money, I just had time. So guess what? We're gonna go on knock on doors, have a friendly pitch, $25 to $35 a cut, depending on how large or small your size properties are. But again, I'm assuming 21-inch push mower, small properties, 25 to 30 bucks just to get started. Post before and after photos. Ideally inside of a Facebook group, you can put before and after pictures. Show people your work. Once you get a happy customer, ask them for a review. That will get you more customers. Once you cut a few lawns, you got a little bit of money, get some door hangers. Put them on the 5 or 9 surrounding houses of the customers' properties that you are doing.
If you're tired of guessing your way through this home service stuff, we built a shortcut. Inside our private school group, we give you access to every SOP, document, and every blueprint that we've built that took us years to figure out. All you got to do is go down in the link in the description below, join the group, and you'll gain access to all of this stuff, including myself, to help coach you and grow your business.
The next question is, Will, how do I price? I'm getting started. I just got my mower. How do I price these lawn services? Very simple. Start with $1 per minute. It's the most simplistic form. You probably don't have a lot of overhead. You probably don't have a real business yet. This is a side hustle. We're just getting started. Just do $1 a minute. You have no idea when you're first starting out, well, I don't know if this is gonna take me 30 minutes or an hour and a half. Just shoot from the hip. Hey, that'll be about 45 minutes. If you come in way under, you're like, okay, wow, I'm making great money. If it takes you twice as long, just use that as real life education. That's part of the game. Always trim and blow. That is what makes you premium. All right, don't just be that mow and go company. Spend your time on quality service, taking care of the customer. Obviously be on time, be very clean when you leave the property. Even ring the doorbell at the end, say, hey, is there anything else you'd like me to clean up before I leave? Before I got all the equipment here and I'm about to take it away, is there anything else that you want me to clean up? The last thing we're gonna talk about here is how to turn this into a real business. You started off, you've got some recurring customers, you've got your push mower, you knocked on some doors, you've got your first 5, maybe 10 customers, okay? Now, how do you turn this into a real business? Very simple. We are going to stack the customers in your neighborhood. It's called route density. It is the fastest way to profitability. If you can get the neighbor to the right and the neighbor to the left and the 3 across the street, you are going to make phenomenal money. Why? You don't have to move your vehicle at all. You don't have to walk to the next customer. If you're like me, I actually walked a few blocks in the beginning when I was just getting my first 5 customers. We want to automate our billing. I see too many people that are just getting started. They take cash and they take checks, and then Mrs. Susie forgets to put the check under the mat. And now you're chasing down money. You don't have time for that. Spend that time finding more customers instead of trying to collect the money that people owe you. Set up automated billing. Get a CRM, a customer relationship management software that you can hold credit cards on file and bill the customer after the service. We're going to start to automate these things and make your life easier so you can focus on selling. The last thing I would tell you, you'll beat out probably 95% of the competition. Be reliable. It's really that simple. Show up on time every day when you say you're going to be there. If you do it long enough, you will beat out 95% of the competition. Be reliable. Show up and deliver the services. To wrap this up, you do not need a fancy truck. You do not need all this commercial grade equipment. You don't need any of that stuff. Mowing is one of the fastest ways to make really good money. And you can start today, right now in your neighborhood. Go out. I encourage you to knock on 5 doors, 10 doors. Get started. Get consistent. If you like this kind of content and you want more of it, hit that subscribe button. We are going to push out more content and help you get more customers, help you quote more jobs. I have built a 6-figure lawn care business. We're going to do 1.2 million revenue this year. I'm going to share with you how we schedule jobs, how we quote jobs, how we get new customers, how we do landscaping services, bush trimming, bed services. If you want to learn that stuff right now, click that subscribe button and we'll see you guys in the next video.